We will now talk about the weekly and quarterly maintenance schedules of the outdoor equipment of the axle counter. In weekly schedule, carry out the following checks of the outdoor equipment. Inspect the battery bank. Check the electrolyte level. Specific gravity and voltage of all the batteries. For battery maintenance, see the Camtech TVFM on maintenance of power equipments and follow instructions of the handbook on lead acid battery issued by Camtech. Inspect the track circuit, its connections, rail joints, etc. and ensure everything is in good condition. Check all the nuts and bolts of base clamps, receiver and transmitter housings and ensure they are fully tight. Inspect the wiring loops and ensure they are in good condition and the connections are tight. Observe the packing condition of supporting sleepers and ensure that the fittings do not vibrate heavily during passage of trains. If necessary, get the sleepers packed well. Inspect all connections on the oscillator or the amplifier unit and ensure they are tight. Check the MS couplers on the electronic junction box unit and ensure they are